Hello friends, we are here with the question answers of English usage and grammar. We have finished question number 1 to 25 in our previous video. Today we will start with question number 26. Before I start, I would like to say that please, if you are new, please subscribe our video, subscribe our channel and hit the notifications button so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Let's begin. Question number 26. Monisha was too about tell her teacher the truth when her friend interrupted her. Here the answer is A, because A has an error in it. Monisha was about to tell her teacher the truth. This would have been correct. To about doesn't mean anything. 27th. Prayag and Parag used to work for almost 12 hours in the factory. They are working earlier. Here the sentence implies past, so the verb here has to agree with the past tense. To work for almost 12 hours in the factory, they were working earlier. The answer is D. Instead of are, there should have been were. The children. We go to question number 28. The children were playing with the ball and run around when the accident occurred. The children were playing with a ball and run around when the accident occurred. Here were playing. So with were playing we cannot use and run. With were playing we will be using and running around. The children were playing with a ball and running around when the accident occurred. The answer is 28th. Answer is C. Avinash is not so good a batsman to be selected for the national cricket team. The answer to 29th is B, because Avinash is not so good a batsman as to be selected for the national cricket team would have been correct. Batsman to be selected is wrong. Batsman as to be selected for the national cricket team is right. Question number 30. He ran so fastly that he reached the destination in just 2 minutes. Here the answer is A. He ran so fastly. Here fast is already an adverb. There is no need of ly here. He ran so fast that he reached the destination in just 2 minutes. The answer is A. We go to question number 31. The firemen could not succeed in rescuing the child although they could put out the fire. The firemen could not succeed in rescue the child although they could put out the fire. The answer to it is B. The firemen could not succeed in rescuing the child although they could put out the fire. This is the correct sentence. The answer is B here. 32. Anjali's performance in the drama was best than Dipali's but not as good as Vaishali's. यहाँ पे आंसर होगा B. Best is superlative degree. जब कंपैरिजन हो रहा हो, when comparison is taking place, you have to use comparative degree. और good की comparative degree होती है better. So Anjali's performance in the drama was better than Dipali's would have been correct. But since better is not been used, the answer will be B. 33. Although he is usually rude with everyone, he behaved nice with all of us today. The answer is C. Although he is usually rude with everyone, he behaved nicely with all of us today will be right. यहाँ पे nicely आएगा. Question number 34. The policemen started firing the crowd when the striking workers became violent. Now if we look at it, the policemen started firing the crowd. Firing the crowd. When you are firing someone, you mean that you are removing them from a job. जब आप कहते हैं कि I am firing you, तो आपका मतलब है कि मैं तुम्हें नौकरी से निकालता हूँ. यहाँ पे मतलब पूरी तरह बदल जा रहा है, जबकि यहाँ पे आना चाहिए फायरिंग एट द क्राउड. फायरिंग एट समवन मीन्स आपने गोली चलाई. गोली चलाना और नौकरी से निकालना दोनों बहुत ही अलग अलग कंटेक्स्ट है. फायरिंग एट द क्राउड आना चाहिए, लेकिन फायरिंग द क्राउड ही लिखा हुआ है, सो बी इज आंसर. इट शुड हैव बीन फायरिंग एट द क्राउड बिकॉज यू आर नॉट रिमूविंग देम फ्रॉम द जॉब्स, यू आर firing a firearm at them. Question number 35. I, with my family, which consists of my wife and 3 children, resides in a village near Pune. Here, the verb will agree with I. I is subject. The verb will always agree with the subject. यहाँ पे subject I है और verb जो है वो हमेशा subject के हिसाब से लगेगा. इसलिए यहाँ पे आएगा I with my family which consists of my wife and 3 children reside in a village near Pune. Question number 36. This is the only one of his poems that are worth reading. यहाँ पे जो वर्ब है वह अग्री नहीं कर रहा है, because we are talking about only one single book, so it should have one single poem. It should have been about this is the only one of his poems that is worth reading. The answer to 36 is C. Question number 37. As a boy, he has never been to school and therefore he had no capacity to read and write. Now the answer can be 2 ways. As a boy, he had never been to school and therefore he had no capacity to read and write. वह कभी स्कूल गया नहीं था, इसलिए उसके पास पढ़ने लिखने की क्षमता नहीं थी. यहाँ पे था और थी दोनों ही पास्ट टेंस में आ रहे हैं. या फिर इसे आप ऐसे कर लेंगे, एज अ बॉय ही हैज नेवर बीन टू स्कूल एंड देयरफॉर ही हैज नो कैपेसिटी टू रीड एंड राइट, कि वह कभी स्कूल नहीं गया है इसलिए उसके पास पढ़ने लिखने की क्षमता नहीं है प्रेजेंट में. बट इन द बुक द आंसर हैज बीन गिवन सी. यू कैन डू इट ईदर वे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 38. Question number 38. No other temple is as beautiful as the famous Meenakshi temple in South India. The answer is E. There is no error in this sentence. Question number 39. He, being the best student in the class, Gopal was chosen to participate in the competition. Here, the answer is A. There is no need to use he. Being the best student in the class, Gopal was chosen to participate in the competition. यहाँ पर he की कोई जरूरत नहीं, he के बिना भी काम चल सकता है. Question number 40. We saw a man from the mist, but we could not see who he was. We saw a man in the mist, but we could not see who he was. अब इसे हिंदी में देखें तो ऐसा होगा, We saw a man, हमने धुंध से एक आदमी देखा पर हम देख नहीं पाए वह कौन है. गलती है ना, हमने धुंध में एक आदमी देखा लेकिन हम देख नहीं पाए वह कौन है. सेकेंड वन इज राइट, इन द मिस्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 41. The saint at that time believes that it was his mission to spread the message of God to all. This is in the past tense. ये past tense में है. The saint at that time believed. The answer is A. So the option here, instead of believes, it should have been believed. Believes की जगह believed आना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये past tense में है तो past tense वाला ही verb use होगा. Question number 42. He addressed people and tried his best to convince them that his decision were correct. ये सही लगता है, it appears right, but it is not. In the section A, we need to say he addressed the people. He addressed the people and tried his best to convince them that his actions were correct. यहाँ पे the people है, जहाँ पे जनता की बात हो रही है. Question number 43. If you are good to people, you will be treated well by themselves. The answer is D. Instead of themselves, we have to simply use by them. If you are good to people, you will be treated well by them. The answer is D here. Question number 44. Whenever you talk, take care that others are not hurt by your words. There is no error in this sentence. इस sentence में कोई गलती नहीं है. Question number 45. In your mind, develop an image of what you would like to become in the future. 45. The answer is D. In your mind, develop an image of what you would like to become in the future. D. In the future. The future आना चाहिए, in future नहीं. 45. Question number 46. Question number 46. We take up this issue in the next meeting of our housing society. There is no error in this sentence. I have searched all relevant books into the library before writing this note. The answer to 47 is C. I have searched all relevant books in the library before writing this note. In to की जगह in आना चाहिए. Question number 48. Don't offer me any explanation now. I am not going to accept it today. When we have used any here, we have to use any here also. Accept any today. जब यहाँ पे any का इस्तेमाल हो चुका है तो it की जगह any आएगा. अगर यहाँ पे it का इस्तेमाल हो रहा है तो यहाँ पे होना चाहिए जब हम स्पेसिफिकली एक ही एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रहे हैं. बट यहाँ पे कोई भी स्पेसिफिक कुछ भी नहीं है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 49. The book is written in a simple and lucid manner with a number of well-drawn illustrations. The answer to this is D. Well drawn. This is faulty spelling. यह त्रुटि है यहाँ पे. Drawn होता है, drawned नहीं होता है. Question number 50. Question number 50. They wanted money to purchase certain things for themselves and for donated to their colleagues. They wanted money to purchase certain things for themselves and for donating to their colleagues. या तो for donating होना चाहिए या फिर to donate to their colleagues होना चाहिए. Either way, D is faulty. So the answer will be D. Question number 51. He loosened his temper whenever he knows things do not take place as per his planning. Now, यहाँ पे A में loosened his temper. loosened का मतलब होता है ढीला होना और lose का मतलब होता है खो देना. यहाँ पे हम कह रहे हैं आपा खो दिया. ये नहीं कह रहे हैं कि आपा ढीला कर दिया. He loosened his temper whenever he knows things do not take place as per his planning. The answer to 51 is A. Question number 52. If you cannot sympathy with the poor, how will you be able to do social work? Here, sympathy की जगह sympathize होना चाहिए. Instead of sympathy, there should have been sympathize. Sympathize is the verb here. It should be placed instead of sympathy. The answer is B. The answer to 52 is B. Question number 53. You must had a kind and gentle heart if you want to be a successful doctor. The answer to 53 is A. Had is in the past tense. You are talking about you must have a kind and gentle heart if you want to be a successful doctor. Instead of had, it should have been have. Question number 54. He has been undergoing the special training course which each of the employees is required to. After to, we have to use undergo. He has been undergoing the special training course which each of the employees is required to undergo. D में to के बाद undergo आएगा. वह उस स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग कोर्स से गुजर रहा है जिससे सभी एम्प्लॉइज गुजरते हैं. यहां पे गुजरते हैं मिसिंग था. सो डी इज रॉन्ग. सो डी इज द आंसर. एंड रिमेंबर, वी आर फाइंडिंग फॉल्ट्स इन दीज सेंटेंसेस. So whichever section you are finding fault in, that is the answer. Both the brothers are so good-natured that they look at their old and aged parents very well. The answer is C. Because when you say look at their old and aged parents very well, you mean you are just looking at them, standing there and looking at them. But what you mean is, they look after them. They take care of them. There is a difference between to look at something and to look after something. When you look at something, you are simply seeing. When you look after, you are taking care of it. ये look का मतलब होता है देखना. यहाँ पे अगर इस सेंटेंस में look को रहने दिया जाए तो इसका मतलब होगा कि वह दोनों भाई बहुत अच्छे हैं. वह अपने पेरेंट्स को बहुत अच्छे से देखते हैं. देखने और देखभाल करने में यही फर्क होता है. जब आप देखते हैं तो आप लुक यूज करते हैं. जब आप देखभाल करने की बात कर रहे हैं तो आप लुक आफ्टर यूज करेंगे. दे लुक आफ्टर देयर ओल्ड एंड एज्ड पेरेंट्स वेरी वेल. द आंसर इज सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 56. ही वॉज टू इरिटेटेड टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन हिज वर्क फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. इस सेंटेंस में कोई एरर नहीं है. देयर इज नो एरर इन दिस सेंटेंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 57. आई आस्क्ड हिम whom he thought would be able to get the first prize. यहां पर सेक्शन बी में whom की जगह who आना चाहिए. Instead of whom, who should be used in B. Question number 58. As the ticket was firmly affixed on the envelope, he could not remove it. As the ticket was affixed on the envelope, he could not remove it. The fault is in B. Firmly affixed should have been written, but it is firm affixed. यहाँ पर firmly affixed का यूज होना चाहिए. हम दरअसल ये कहना चाह रहे हैं, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि मजबूत चिपका दिया था, जबकि होना चाहिए मजबूती से चिपका दिया था. मैं एनालॉजी दे रहा हूं. आप इंग्लिश को हिंदी में एग्जैक्टली ट्रांसलेट करने की कोशिश ना करें. आप अगर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते रहेंगे आपको जनरल आइडिया लग जाएगा ये कहां पे क्या गलती हो रही है. 59. We are happy to know that the project completed strictly as per schedule. 59 का आंसर है C. We are happy to know that the project was completed strictly as per schedule आना चाहिए. प्रोजेक्ट के बाद was आना चाहिए. Question number 60. They would not have able to plan the details of the job if you had not cooperated. 60 का आंसर है B. They would not have been able to plan the details of the job. Have been आना चाहिए था. Question number 61. Very few employees in our company are so dedicated as Mahesh will. इन डी विल की हमें कोई जरूरत नहीं, विल के बिना भी काम हो जाता. सो very few employees in our company are so dedicated as Mahesh will be right. Since D is the section we have fault in, D is the answer. Question number 62. Question number 62. Rajesh won the case as he argued very forcefully and in such the intelligent way that the judge changed his opinion. The fault is in C. In such an intelligent way. यहाँ पे आना चाहिए such an intelligent way. यहाँ पे the का इस्तेमाल गलत है. The answer is C. Question number 63. The basket of apples sent by the gardener contained a number of green mangoes also. The answer for 63 is E. No error. There is no fault in this sentence. Question number 64. In the absence of clear instructions, one cannot be expected to be function effectively. The answer is D. To be functioning effectively. Must have come here, but instead functioned effectively. Question number 65. They could have helped him had they approached by him for help well in advance. They could have helped him had they been approached by him for help well in advance. Had they been आना चाहिए था. The fault is in C. Question number 66. He has in his possession a prize collection of very old coins and some ancient paintings. यहाँ पे आपको एक फर्क समझना होगा. प्राइस का मतलब होता है कीमत, प्राइज्ड का मतलब होता है कीमती. उसके पास पुराने सिक्कों और बहुत पुरानी पेंटिंग्स का एक कलेक्शन है. कीमती कलेक्शन है, कीमत कलेक्शन नहीं है, कीमती कलेक्शन है. He has in his possession a prized collection of very old coins and some ancient paintings. The fault is in C, so the answer is C. Question number 67. Everyone is impressed by his zeal and enthusiasm. Impressed की जगह impressed आना चाहिए था. There should have been everyone is impressed by his zeal and enthusiasm. The answer is B. Question number 68. The patient recovered so fast that the expert doctors also were surprised. The sentence is in past, so we have to write the patient recovered so fast that the expert doctors also were surprised. The answer is A. यहाँ पे सेंटेंस पास्ट भूतकाल की तरफ इशारा कर रहा है, अतः हम ये कहेंगे पेशेंट रिकवर्ड. सो क्योंकि ए में गलती है तो आंसर भी ए ही होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 69. The observers felt that the stronger team had to face defeat because the players didn't play wholehearted. The answer is D. Didn't play wholeheartedly आना चाहिए था. It's didn't play wholeheartedly should have been used, but since it has not been used, the answer is D. Question number 70. Every animal in the zoo is fed regularly and attended to very promptly. The answer to 70 is E. No error. Question number 71. How you eat is as important as what you eat. There is no error in this sentence also. The answer is E. इन दोनों सेंटेंसेस में कोई एरर नहीं है, तो आंसर है E. Question number 72. All his relatives except his daughter have gone a month's vacation tour. यहाँ पर expect नहीं, accept आना चाहिए. Expect का मतलब होता है आशा करना। एक्सेप्ट का मतलब होता है अलावा, उसके सभी रिश्तेदार उसकी बेटी के अलावा। The answer is B because expect is wrong here. Question number 73. All renew licenses may be collected from the cashier's counter after paying the fees. Here, the use of renew is wrong. All renewed licenses may be collected from the cashier's counter after paying the fees. यहाँ पे renew की जगह renewed आना चाहिए था. Question number 74. In question number 74, because of his carelessness, he could not achieve high ranks though he had intelligent. The answer is D, because though he had intelligence. Intelligent की जगह intelligence आना चाहिए था. Question number 75. The boys and girls were so terrible afraid that they could not see the running train. यहाँ पर terrible की जगह terribly आना चाहिए था. It's functioning as an adverb. So terribly afraid that they could not see the running train. The fault is in B, so the answer is B. This is all for today. In the next video, we will be finishing from 76 to 108. Please keep watching the new videos. The exams are approaching. Study hard and good luck to all of you. Please be regular in your studies. Also, if you are new, please subscribe and hit the notifications button. If you have already subscribed, then please hit the like button and study hard.